here, facing your right. And we'll do the cap again. So 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and turn to the right, 360 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and turn to the left, 360, cap again, 4, 3, 2, 1, right turn 360 and 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn to the left, 360, come into underhand weave, sorry. Extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. Come into circles on the side, spread your legs. We're gonna stall from the behind with the right, stall from behind with the left, stall from the front with the right, stall from the front with the left, right behind, through the legs, left behind, through the legs, right from the front, through the legs, left from the front, through the legs, and one more set, right behind, through the legs, left behind, through the legs, right through the legs from the front, left through the legs on the front, and then just 2 more stalls, right and then left, and now we're in overhand, and here we go, we'll do overhand cap 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, turning left 360, and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, turning right 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, left turn 360, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and right turn 360, come into overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, back to regular weave, open it up, stall your right poi. Now you're in opposite direction, and here let's do long arm pendulums. So we'll do horizontal like this, 1 set, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now let's add the turns. We'll turn left for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and we're going to turn right now. So 4, and 3, and 2, and last time around, and now you're going to come into opposite direction. Left should be under, right should be over. We're going to turn to the left to underhand butterfly, underhand opposite hip rail, come to the butterfly in the front, up to pinwheel, back down to the butterfly, back to the hip rail, back to butterfly, back to pinwheel, and now we'll do extensions. Right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, last time right, last time left, down to butterfly, down to hip rail, back to butterfly, and then drop stall. Okay, now we're gonna do that crazy combo where we do the hybrid. So I want you to turn to your right. We're gonna spin, I think you did the right point, I think you did the one with the right doing the circles and the left doing the drop stalls. So we're gonna stand here, right's overhand, and the left is gonna drop stall in the front while the right hand moves to the back like this. And then we'll do the opposite of that. So the right will go to the front while the left drop stalls in the back, right to the back, left to the front, right to the front, left to the back, right to the back, left to the front, right to the front, left to the back, right to the back, left to the front, oops, do better than me, and right to the front, left to the back. Turn left again into underhand butterfly, back to the hip rail, and back to the butterfly, back to the pinwheel, and we'll do those extensions again, right and left, right and left, right and left, last time right, last time left, and bring it down to the butterfly. We'll do a butterfly turn around to the left, left out, turn, overhand butterfly in the back, left back in, and we come into underhand butterfly, hip reel again, and come back to the butterfly. Now we'll do a right turn around 360, right out, come to overhand, right out again, come to underhand butterfly again, back to your hip reel again, come up to your pinwheel directly, skipping that butterfly, and coming back down to the hip reel, skipping that butterfly again, come to the butterfly, drop stall again, and now we're gonna do the clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right, turning to the right, turning to the right. And now we're gonna sync up the timing, come under the right leg, then the left leg as you turn to the right, then up and over. Second time, under the right, under the left, up and over. Third time, under the right, under the left, we're turning, and then last time, under the right, under the left, come back up, go back into the corkscrew, and now we're gonna bring it from here into that cap. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now on the extension, turn all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, and cap for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Third set, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the right all the way around. And last set, 4, 3, 2, 1. 360 turnaround. Then we're going to spiral over the head, change direction, and then come down in the counterclockwise version. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360. Second set. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360. And third set. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left turn 360. And last time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Spiral over the head. Spiral over the head. Spiral over the head. And come